Okay, so we're going to be doing number 4 on adding rational expressions. So for this one, again, there's nothing we can factor. We can't factor out this 5. There's nothing we can factor. So let's look at what our common denominator is going to look like. So if we look at this, I need a 5x. So I'm going to write down a 5x. And then this side has a 5x plus 2. So here's the temptation is to say, oh, I already have a 5x, so I can just add 2 and they'll be the same, right? But then if I do 5x plus 2 divided by 5x, it doesn't go in evenly, right? Because I have this plus 2 here. That doesn't work. I can't divide in evenly. So remember that when we're doing this, when we're looking for our common denominators, we're looking at common factors. And since 5x plus 2 is that whole thing is a factor, it's not the same as just 5x by itself. It's a different factor. They're not the same. So if I have something being added and something by itself, that's not the same. So I need the whole factor of 5x plus 2 in my denominator. So that if I divide this by 5x, I would have 5x plus 2. If I divided this by 5x plus 2, I'd have 5x. They both divide evenly into the denominator, which is the point of a common denominator, right? That's what we learned back in grade school. We were learning how to find common denominators for fractions. So now I have my common denominator. I need to figure out what I need to do to my numerator. So just like in the last example, where we multiplied this by this, and then we multiplied that by that, this is going to be the same thing because we ended up just using the 2 pieces in the denominator. So we're going to multiply this side by 5x, and we're going to multiply this numerator by 5x plus 2. So we're going to have 4 times 5x plus 2 plus x minus 2 times 5x. Okay, so that's our numerator. So now we just need to distribute. So 4 times 5x is 20x. 4 times 2 is 8. X times 5x is 5x squared. Negative 2 times 5x is negative 10x over 5x plus 2. So now I can combine like terms. So I've got 5x squared. 20x minus 10x is 10x plus 8 over 5x plus 2. And that's all we can really do with this one. So this, in this case, would be our final answer. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. And as always, let me know if you need help. And I will see you in the next video.